morning, one and all present here. Today, we are having an inspiration with us. He's literally my inspiration. He's a winner. He is a winner in poetry in various colleges, be it IIT Delhi, be it IIT Bombay, and any college in India. Also, he's a prodigy in playing basketball and also a very good cricketer. So he is none other than Mr. Mohit Sethi. Mohit Sethi. And for taking his interview, we are having a soft skills trainer and an entrepreneur with us. She is none other than TTM Richa, the head of Special War Series. So this virtual stage is over to you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thanks
Mohit.
a lot, Shubham, and most welcome to the rocking inspiration to many people and our champion Mohit. Most welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
First thing in my list is I want to know what is the success mantra for you. You are everywhere. Everybody loves you and everybody is getting inspired by you. So, what is the secret mantra?
So, I just put my hands in everything I can, and there are so many interests of mine, so I just try everything and try everything with the zeal of excelling in it or being good at it. So, perfectionism is the mantra for me.
Okay, perfectionism is the mantra for you. So, what two things you have worked on in last 15 days to own your skills?
Last 15 days. So, yeah. So, first of all, we have to sort of overcome our fear of trying new things.
Oh,
So
wow.
I have overcame my fear of trying new things in the last 15 days, or I'll say in the last 1 year. So I am like open to trying new things, which is a very good thing. And secondly, we have to overcome the fear of letting ourselves back.
Great.
So like
Good.
opening up is the main thing.
How do you think people like you, who are very diligent, who love to write and who love to share their poetry as well, how do you think all these intellectual crowd can help a society?
So yeah, I was personally into social work a lot in the college. So taking on art is a part of social work because I think art is the greatest social work of all time. So I think poetry and all the artists can help the society by bringing a change, and by bringing a change in a way that they have a different perspective of the world. So they can induce new thoughts, new feelings to the world, and just they can in that way they can bring a change.
Yes. Okay. What is one thing that is challenging for the youngsters these days?
To stick to one thing. That is the most challenging thing, to stick to one thing. Like we procrastinate a lot.
To be
uh,
persistent.
exactly, like to be
Yes.
at one thing at a
Yes.
time, or to give time to one thing a lot,
Yes.
which is very difficult.
So you have one person waiting eagerly to have a conversation with you, and he is Shubham. So over to Shubham.
Hello, Mohit.
I
Right? I'm also I always want to write a poetry, but when I used to write it two lines, after writing two lines, I'm like, I can't do this. So for beginner like me, would you like to give two suggestions to write a good poetry?
So writing a good poetry involves a lot of things. So before writing, I always say that if you are right, if you can rate it at a scale of 100%, so you have to read 90% and then you have to write 10%. So reading is the most essential part of writing. So first you have to read a lot, and then you can gain the perspective of the different authors, different poets, and then you can gain the perspective of the structure in which you want to write, and then you can write. And the other suggestion is uh, like there are many drafts to poetry. Like you can't just sit and you can write 2 lines and call it a good poetry. You have to write something which can be of 10 lines, then you have to edit it in 2 days, which can be of 6 lines, and then you will edit and re-edit and re-edit and then come to 2 lines, which is the extracted version of yourself. So that is a good poetry.
Okay,
So you have to
so
give time.
okay, so as you are a champion for me, so one suggestion you would like to give the audience, or like you can give a suggestion, or you can tell through a poetry of yours, like Hindi poetry of yours, 2 to 3 lines, to audience to stay motivated while this lockdown and Corona pandemic.
So there are 2 lines, and half for Corona pandemic only. So प्यार है बुनियाद बस, ये दुश्मनी है कोशिश एक. And here dushmani refers to so many things, like you can take it as pandemic, you can take it as the hatred we are experiencing, or you can take it as the calamities we are experiencing. So प्यार है बुनियाद बस, ये दुश्मनी है कोशिश एक सखी को दूसरी से दूर रखने के लिए.
Wow, wow,
True that. True
wow.
that. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much,
much.
Mohit, for coming over here and enlightening us through your like golden words. And over to Richa ma'am.
Wow, it is a pleasure hearing you. We really wish that we could have some more poetries from you. I'm
Well,
sure
we can
all the
have some
tips
other
that
day.
yeah, all the tips that you have shared today are really going to help the budding entrepreneurs, the budding artists, and the budding writers. So keep writing, and we wish you all the best on behalf of Special Wow series. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Shubham.
Bye. Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you, Shubham.